Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in Python Seaborn library learning series, in last video we have learned how we can display data in line format using x and y coordinates and how we can use who to analyze the data on a particular column. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can display data in bar format and how we can analyze this data according to the requirement. So same here, we also using the Seaborn library, then we are using matplot lib library called pyplot as plt, and here one more library we are using panda library because we are going to open csv file to analyze the data. So here we are deciding the layout for SNS style sheet that we need whiteboard and in a white grid, because the bar that we are going to display, that will display on the some area or the background, that background would be the white with some grid line. So we are designing a style. So many styles are there, you can search about more styles, but here I am giving you a introduction that you can use one style on which you want to display your bar. Now by this line we are saying that panda library we are using here, and in this pandas library we are using the file pokemon.csv. This pokemon.csv is loaded in the same folder where I have this library, the csv file. You can download this from the internet and from the Kaggle website or from the GitHub, easily available. And then if I execute this, it will display me the 5 record from the header function. Top 5 records will be displayed here, and you see you can analyze here the field and types of field are available in this csv file. Now by using any particular field we can display data in bar format. So here you see once again we are using a method barplot. Barplot is used to display data in bar format. Here we have x coordinate is called legendary. So legendary we are using this legendary we are using here, and for y format we are using a speed. So we are taking here when speed is true or when speed is false. So we will display this, and data set is Pokemon, which we have created here. This one, this data set we are passing here, and then we are showing with the use of plt show, and I run this. You will see that it will display that false are near about 65 and then 100 is true. So you can analyze the data in terms of any x and y coordinates. I just give the example on 2 legendary and a speed. You can take anyone whatever you want. Then if I want to display data in the palette in blue color, so I can run it and it will display in blue color. You see all are blues. So here the color is different, but here the color is blue. With the help of palette we can decide here blue underscore D. If you want the rocket type, we can give the palette to rocket and it will display in this format. These are just change of color, or we can use the VLang format. These are types of formats which are available. So as per your choice you can decide in which format you want to use. If you want to use simple by default format, then do not use this one, but if you want to use in blue format, then take palettes blue D. In rocket format use this one. In VLang format, then take this one. It depends on you what you want. Next one is if you want to take color, as per your choice you can give the color field and pass the color here, and you can display in the red color. Similarly, if you want other color, you can also take that one also, yellow color. So it depends on you what type of color you want, what kind of x and y coordinates you want and the what data set you want to use. I am here using the Pacman data set and true field legendary and the speed I am using. You can take anyone whatever you want and analyze your data using this Seaborn library in terms of bar plots. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.